What's that noise, Kody? Is that noise? Is that noise? Is it Kody? What's that noise? Kody can hear a grasshopper in the grass. And the long grass is where the grasshoppers are. Come on then, boy. Hello. Good boy. Kody loves running on that field down there, and he loves all of this area. We can go and explore, can't we, Kody? Kody loves getting the water from the long grass when he's thirsty. Don't you, boy? Hey? What's that? What you found? What's that noise? You hear the grasshopper again?